Good morning, Frazier here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2013 Mercedes Sprinter 2500 Diesel. We'll do the outside. We'll do inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. And then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. And as you can see, I'm trying to get both angles for you so you can see condition for yourself. Big reason why we love doing these videos. Saves a bunch of time on both sides. You have a really good idea of what you're coming in to look at. But as you can see, it is the high top. Has the tow mirrors there. Has that rear tinted glass window. Fold out doors there. See the step up. BLUETEC. These angles. So this high top van, it's not an easy video to walk around. Trying to get it all in here for you. Down here on tire size. The inside here in just a moment. Alright, let's get to the inside. It does have both fobs. Sure is a nice feature. Does have the power windows, power locks. You get the condition of the seats here. It has the captain's chairs there with the adjustable arms. Passenger seat here. I don't see any rips or tears. It has that rear slider there as well. The window. Alright, let's get to some features up here before we get into the back. It does have the cruise control. Stock stereo. All of that. Alright, let's get to the very back. Here so you can see the condition back here. And now go through the slider as well. Seems like nowadays most folks are converting these into mini homes. Seems to be a popular trend anyway. Alright, let's take a look underneath the hood if I can find the latch here. There we go. We'll turn it over in just a second, folks. Let's see the dash and the lights if I can find the latch. Where are you? There it is, right in front of my hands here. Alright, now I do say this in my videos all the time, guys. Far from mechanically inclined, but I do like to get this in here the best I can. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, you probably looked at a few others, so you know what you're looking for. All of our vehicles, they do get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected. So please keep that in mind. You know, and I would encourage anybody to check out our Better Business Bureau, our Google reviews. We hold an A+ with Better Business, and well, our Google reviews speak for themselves. There's mileage there. Fairly low miles. See, the stereo does work well. AC blows cold. Get all that in there for you. Alright, let's go back to the engine. Purring along beautifully. Well, hopefully this helped answer some questions. If there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out, take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever we can do to help, we're happy to do it. Just give us a text or a call. Want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. Enjoy your day.